Hello viewers, welcome to Vikruztech. I'm yours Vishnuvj. So today I'm setting out an exciting ride with my new Triumph Scrambler 400X. So currently I'm at Trivandrum, so I'm traveling to Coimbatore right now. It's around 420 kilometers from here. So this is my ride after 4 to 5 years. So I'm very thrilled about this. So our route will be take us. I'm from Trivandrum to MC Road, and via MC Road I am passing through Angamali and Palakkad before reaching Coimbatore. Okay, so let's gear up and hit the road. Okay, so we made a quick stop to refuel. Yesterday we had about 250 rupees of petrol in it is already available in my tank, but the warning light came up during this ride signaling it was time to fill up. So I just stopped and topped off the tank around 700 rupees of petrol and almost refueling for the journey. It is enough for that. So far my bike has already covered 101 kilometers in total and 67 kilometers completed on this specific ride. Okay, so let's get back on the road and keep going. So we have almost crossed Nilamil in Kollam district and we reached a place called Lekshambid. Okay, so this weather right now is a bit foggy and it looks like it might rain, but it could be my intuition since it's still morning. Okay, so now let me tell you a bit about my bike. Okay, I hope you have seen the release video of my Triumph Scrambler 400X. I purchased this model for around 3.4 lakhs on road in Trivandrum, Kerala. I have added a few accessories which I'll cover in a separate video for you. This Scrambler is the most accessible entry-level model from Triumph, and it's rare to find a Triumph at this price point in India. So this bike features a 398.15cc DOHC liquid cooled engine with 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 Newton meters of torque, which is a true performance engine. Now we have almost reached Kottayam, and I must say this bike is an ultra comfortable for touring. Despite the long ride, I feel no discomfort. Whether it's for city riding, commuting, long trips or semi-off-roading, this bike handles it all. However, it's important to note that this bike is incomparable with Royal Enfield Himalayan, which is dedicated an off-roading bike. So many of the YouTubers right now are comparing these two, but the Triumph offers more versatility across different road conditions and at a similar price point too, but it is more affordable than Himalayan because Himalayan is having different variants, which the price will be also changing based on the colors they have. But Triumph doesn't have any kind of variant differences, only one bike which is the same price point for all the colors. These two bikes serves different purposes. The Scrambler 400 is more of hybrid, which is excelling in various terrains. Its immense torque and power make overtaking in traffic which is effortless, that I felt personally. Even it's in 4th gear, I feels like you are in the 2nd gear or this, and also in the 6th gear there is no need to downshift. Okay, it powers through with ease. Okay guys, I just stopped in between for breakfast. I'm feeling hungry, so this is one of the good breakfast point I usually have. This is a restaurant called Entama restaurant. Oh, soft idlis, these are my favorite. Now we will talk a little bit about the pricing of this Triumph Scrambler 400X. I bought it at 3,31,542 exactly for the on-road price of Trivandrum, Kerala. So basically this is a little bit reasonable, because at this price point you think about a Triumph, it is impossible. So because it's 400cc, it is just now available in India and manufactured in India, but with the Triumph technology. There are certain bad rumors about this Triumph on air, because somebody is telling that Triumph adopts Dominar's engine, which is an absurd statement. Dominar's engine is different and Triumph's engine is different. Once you ride it, you will understand what is the proportion of this engine, how it is using, how the power is delivered, what is the comfort that you are getting it from this Triumph Scrambler. So don't ever compare the same thing with, because both are coming under 400cc, but this is a different machine. Okay, now we will speak about a technical side of this bike. This Triumph Scrambler 400X is a motorcycle which is available in a single variant. It is powered by a 398.15cc BS6 engine, which is delivering 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 Newton meters of torque. This bike equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear. The Scrambler 400X features an anti-locking braking system, and this bike weighs around 185 kg, which is on a higher side. This is a disadvantage of this bike. You can tell it as a disadvantage, but not really when it comes to the off-road conditions, because we don't have any spoke wheels, because they have given the alloy wheels, which is equipped for the off-roading purposes also, because they have strengthened the alloys again when you compare to Speed 400. And this has a fuel capacity of 13 liters. As the most affordable scrambler in the British manufacturers lineup, this Scrambler 400X shares its platform with the Triumph Speed 400 that you know. So it includes a distinct component to exchange its off-road capabilities. The bike rugged design is complemented by features like its headlight protector grille, radiator guard, knuckle guards, and a handle brace, and also the split style seats, which comes by default with this bike. You don't want to pay for this. The 398cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine produces 39.5 bhp, I told you, but this is at 8000 rpm, okay, which is at a higher side, and 37.5 Newton meters peak torque at 6500 rpm. Both of these marks are different rpms. It is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an assist and slipper clutch as standard. In terms of suspension, the Scrambler 400X is fitted with a 43mm upside down fork with 150mm travel at front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. This motorcycle rides on a 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel, both fitted with the dual-purpose block pattern MRF tires. I am not a fan of this tire because it's not giving a good feedback when comparing to the other tires. The braking system includes a 320mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc with a dual-channel ABS as standard. Notably, the rear ABS can be switched off for better control on off-road trails. The key features of this Scrambler 400X include a ride-by-wire throttle, which gives you a hope for a better update on this bike, but it is not announced by the Triumph manufacturers. And it is also having a switchable traction control, LED lighting, and a semi-digital instrument cluster, also with a standard Type-C charging port. This bike is available in 3 khaki green, carnival red, and phantom black. While it doesn't have a direct competitor, the Triumph Scrambler 400X is often compared to Royal, Himalayan 450, and ESD Scrambler. Guys, I am not a fan of this horn. You can hear the horn sound. It is an awkward sound from this bike. I don't like this. Mostly every people in Kerala knows about this tunnel. This is known as the Kudan Tunnel, which is a 6-lane highway tunnel in Kerala. So actually this tunnel was constructed within 5 years, and the Kudan Tunnel is one of the longest tunnels in South India. This is beautiful to watch. See this. So we are entering Coimbatore right now. I am almost reaching, so it is going to be an end of this video. But I will come up with more videos. I have to give you a lot of information about this bike, even with the headlights, even with the meter, whatever the meter controls, whatever the switch controls that we are having, and the fuel, mileage, everything it is there in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. Now I will tell you how much mileage I have got in this ride. So it is coming next. So in conclusion, we have achieved an impressive average mileage of around 35 km per liter. So overall we have ridden 446 kilometers since getting this bike, with 411.9 kilometers covered on this specific ride. I believe we have covered everything for now. I'll be back with more updates in the next video. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you Triumph. Bye bye.